G'day folks, we're just doing some carrot cake. So there's some flour and all that kind of stuff. Get some carrots and grate those carrots. Give them a great grating, great grating, that was a good one. So once you've done that, get your dry ingredients in a bowl and you need to give them a quick stir just to make sure that they're all sorted. So your flour, your cinnamon, your spices, your baking powder, all of that stuff goes in there. And then once you have that, you will get your bowl with some eggs in there, some oil, give that a bit of a mix, beat that nice and slow. Look at that, slow beating. Some vanilla goes in there also. So mix in your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients, mix them all together, then add your carrots, all mixed together till it's nice and whatever. Pepitas go in there, some currants or some sultanas. Get in a bowl, place half the batch in a microwave safe cooking dish, 6 minutes, then the other half, and then get it out, make your icing. This is your frosting, cream cheese, vanilla, a bit of milk, bang, almost there. Put that around, give it a bit of a mix. On top of the cake, top goes on the cake. There's a hole in there, because I had a hole in there, and it's done. Well done.